Welcome to this video on the architecture of control, foundations of semiconductor physics and solid-state devices. The superpower of semiconductors is their precise adjustability. Unlike fixed conductive states, their electrical conductivity can be precisely dialed through changes in temperature, optical excitation, and impurity content, bridging the gap between insulators and metals. The energy gap dictates the rules of movement. Conductivity requires an electron to cross from a filled valence band to an empty conduction band. The gap is non-existent in metals, massive in insulators, and moderate in semiconductors, allowing for controlled flow. Electrons do not move in a vacuum within a semiconductor. As excited electrons move, they encounter periodic crystal forces. They respond to external forces with an effective mass that is distinct from a free electron's true mass. Intrinsic materials are pure, with equal electron and hole concentrations. Extrinsic materials are doped, disrupting this balance to control the material's properties. Engineering carriers is about tipping the scales. N-type materials have electrons vastly outnumbering holes. Conversely, P-type materials have holes as the dominant charge carrier. The statistical engine is the Fermi level. Governed by Fermi-Dirac statistics, it marks the exact energy tier, where the probability of electron occupation is exactly 50%. Doping physically shifts the Fermi level. It tracks the dominant charge carrier, moving up towards the conduction band in N-type material and down towards the valence band in P-type material. Understanding solid-state devices requires defining their energetic state as either equilibrium or steady state. Equilibrium is a settled state with no net motion of charge, while a steady state involves external energy and is non-equilibrium. In an excited steady state, the system fractures, requiring independent quasi-Fermi levels for the separate electron and hole populations. The distance between these levels measures the degree of deviation from equilibrium. The spark of excitation is optical absorption. When a semiconductor absorbs a photon with energy greater than its band gap, it violently generates an electron-hole pair, spiking conductivity. The return to normal is governed by carrier lifetime. Excess carriers generated by excitation are temporary. They eventually decay, neutralizing the conductivity spike through recombination and neutralization. The manner in which carriers recombine dictates the technology they power. Direct recombination outputs luminescence, used in LEDs. Indirect recombination results in thermal dissipation. The solid-state engine is synthesized by engineering the gap, doping carriers, and manipulating equilibrium. This allows us to build architectures, like the LED, that transform electricity into light. Semiconductor materials form the foundation of modern control, enabling the complex solid-state devices that power our world.